This short video will help walk you through the process to create the slides that you'll need for your presentation and to turn in to complete this assignment. To begin, let's go to the research guide where you're watching this video. You can see there's two links in the description. The first one is for Genially, which is a free website that you'll be using to edit the template. The second link is right over here. That's the blank template that you'll be using to create your assignment and presentation. So to begin, let's click here on the Genially URL. That'll open up this page, and you'll need to create a free account. All you need to do is put in your email and a username and a password, and you'll have free access to this. Once you've created your Genially account, come back to the guide and open up this Access Template Here link. That will bring you to this page where you'll have a blank slide that you'll be using to complete your assignment. You can see the slide will create the table where you'll be having your scholarly conversation. Each one will have a box that can open up for more information. And we've created 4 slides to answer the 4 questions of who, what, how, and why. All of these prompts are in your assignment. To utilize this slide, come down here to where it says Use this Genially and click on the button. It's important that you've already created your free Genially account before you do this. Once you've done so, the template will open up in your Genially account. Now your job is to edit each of these hotspots with the information that you found in your research. You'll have 6 different sources that will be represented at your table. So go through each source, click on it, and then you click on this interactivity button. This will open up the text that will appear each time you click on a hotspot. So I can come over here, erase the word text, and put in any information that I want. So depending on which slide you're working on, you'll enter information about who this source is, what their authority is, or what they have to say about the issue, or how they make the argument, or why their voice is important for the scholarly conversation. Once you've finished putting information in, just hit save, and that hotspot will have the information that you have for that source. You'll notice there are 4 different slides that are all identical. So as you finish putting your information for the first slide about who each of these sources are, then you can flip to the next slide and complete the process for each slide that you need for this assignment. There's 4 in total. Once you've put in all your information, come up here to All Set, and you can click on that button, select Public Online, select Reusable, create a new title for this template. You can add a description if you want that discusses the topic or issue that you're looking at, and then click All Set. Once you've done so, you can click on Share, and it will provide you with the link that you can turn in for this part of the assignment. So copy the link and submit that through Canvas. Good luck with your research, and we look forward to seeing the conversation that you create.